Hi, this is Jessica from DanSenApp. Thanks for choosing Della. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how to install Della on your MacBook. Once you grant 2 simple permissions, you'll be able to experience a whole new way to interact with your computer, just by talking. It's fast, intuitive, and once you try it, you might never want to go back. First, head over to Della's website and click Sign In. Enter your email and we'll send you a one-time password. Check your inbox or spam folder just in case. Copy the code, paste it into the login page, and you're in. That's it. No passwords to remember. Every time you log in, we'll send a fresh one-time code to your email. Once you're logged in, download the Della app image. It's a universal version, so it works on both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. Open the downloaded file and drag the Della app into your Applications folder. That's it. Della is now installed. When you launch the app for the first time, macOS will ask you to grant 2 permissions: microphone and accessibility. The microphone lets Della hear you, and the accessibility permission allows you to trigger Della with a primary key. After granting the permissions, make sure to quit and reopen the app. Then log in again with your email and the new one-time password. Once you're in, check the network status from Della's menu in the menu bar. You can also see your permission status and app usage in the settings window. Now, let's open up any app and give it a try. Everything's set up and ready to use. Enjoy! No more typing, just talk.